Welcome to Airline Diversity. My name is Stephanie. I'll be the flight service coordinator on today's flight. Our captain has advised us today's flight time will be 3 hours and 28 minutes. We now ask for your attention to the following important safety presentation.
At United, we take great pride in our global network. We're constantly exploring new routes for our customers.
But United offers more than 700 daily flights to and from international destinations. We carry more than 85,000 passengers internationally every day.
We also have the Boeing 787, which is a very fuel-efficient aircraft and has a longer range, so we can fly to places that we never considered before.
One good example of that is the service from San Francisco to Chengdu, China that we just launched.
No other airline is flying from the U.S. to the interior parts of China. It just opens up the entire western front.
And we've recently added routes between Los Angeles and Melbourne, Australia, Houston to Munich, San Francisco and Taipei.
You can't beat a nonstop. It's cutting back a lot of the travel time, anywhere from 4 to 8 hours depending on the route.
What we try to do is make the route network as attractive as we can, getting customers where they want to go in the most easy and convenient way possible. More new routes, more daily nonstops, more options. That's our commitment to customers. Hello.
Hello.
Konnichiwa.
Ciao. Mabuhay.
We're excited to have you aboard. And we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
Newark?
Which airline?
United.
You got it.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with this aircraft. This Boeing 757 is equipped with 6 exit doors, 3 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. You'll also find an additional life raft located in the overhead bin at the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. When open, ram slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 10 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you're seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask the flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety cards near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten your straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist. Secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end tight. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. In case of a water landing, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To use, slip your arms through the straps and hold it close to your chest.
are allowed on the aircraft. U.S. law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Federal regulations also require passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
For a taxi, takeoff and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device. Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please be considerate of other passengers by carrying on only one small bag and one personal item. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, safety is global.
From all of us around the world,
Thanks.
thanks.
Ow. Thanks, and enjoy your flight.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Welcome aboard. There are some tasty changes to our in-flight service. Our international economy cabin meal service is now 3 courses. To start, enjoy a complimentary beer or wine and snack. Then dive in as our chefs have created some delicious new main courses, all served with fresh new salads and tasty artisan bread. And for dessert, we'll be offering seasonal selections like gelato, ice cream, or mousse. Plus, treats from our snack shop can be purchased throughout your flight. And we've even added some tasty options to your pre-arrival service to make sure we send you off right. We hope you enjoy and have a great flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your attention. I'll be back with more details about today's flight after takeoff. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.